Hello and welcome. Let's work through question 24 together. We have the curve y equals x squared minus 4x plus 3. It cuts the y-axis at 3 and the x-axis at x equals 1 and x equals 3. The shaded region is bounded above by the line y equals 3, on the right by the line x equals 3, and by the curve itself. Let's shade it. The main part sits above the x-axis in yellow, and there is a small piece dipping below the x-axis in orange, where the curve goes negative between x equals 1 and x equals 3. Part A, 1. Integrate the curve from 0 to 1. Integration finds the area between the curve and the x-axis. We raise each power by 1 and divide by the new power. That gives x cubed over 3 minus 2x squared plus 3x, evaluated from 0 to 1. Putting in 1 gives 1/3 minus 2 plus 3, and putting in 0 gives nothing. So the integral is 4/3. Part A, 2. The shaded area above the x-axis is the big rectangle, from x equals 0 to 3 with height 3, minus the area under the curve on 0 to 1 that we just found. The rectangle is 3 times 3, which is 9. 9 minus 4/3 is 23/3, roughly 7.67 square units. Part B. Between x equals 1 and 3, the curve dips below the x-axis, so its integral comes out negative. Area is always positive, so we take the magnitude, the size, of that integral. Integrating from 1 to 3 gives minus 4/3, so the area below the axis is 4/3. About 1.33 square units. Part C. The entire shaded area is simply the two pieces added together. 23/3 plus 4/3 is 27/3, which is exactly 9 square units. So the total shaded area is 9 square units. Well done. That's question 24 complete.